Tiny robots repair spinal cords and treat paralysis.
The human spinal cord cannot heal itself. Once severed, scar tissue blocks all hope of recovery, leaving millions paralyzed. But science just evolved. Meet the NPC bot, a smite-necrometer hybrid marvel that pairs living stem cells with magnetic nanoparticles. Millions of these tiny saviors are injected directly into the injured area, ready to receive orders from the outside world. Using an external magnetic field, scientists guide them with millimeter precision, sending wireless waves to wake the stem cells. The results are breathtaking. Paralyzed zebrafish return to swimming completely normally in just 3 days of treatment. Even more shocking, laboratory mice with completely severed spinal cords reconnected their nerves and walked again within 28 days. With zero immune rejection, these microbots naturally dissolve into nothingness once their healing mission is fully complete. The final frontier is scaling this to humans. A future where paralysis is entirely reversible is finally within our reach.